Creating a reliable stream of passive income is achievable with a strategic approach that demands minimal effort post-initial setup. This guide aims to guide you through the process of establishing a system that generates recurring commissions monthly, catering to beginners without the need for a website, upfront investment, or social media presence. To underscore my commitment to transparency and knowledge sharing, I provide these insights through free videos, surpassing the value offered in paid courses and coaching programs. If you find value in these insights, consider subscribing with notifications on for the latest tips. Step 1. Choosing the right affiliate program. Selecting an affiliate program is fundamental. Options like VIIQ, yielding $800 last month and contributing to $159,000 in the past year, or Yazing.com, with instant global product approval, offer diverse niches. However, exercise caution with WarriorPlus.com due to varying product quality. Step 2. Leveraging Twitter or X.com for promotion. Create a dedicated Twitter account for promoting valuable threads. Twitter's expansive user base offers exposure opportunities. Threads. Leveraging ChatGPT for content generation. Eliminate the need for video recording. Step 3. Harnessing Faceless YouTube automation channels. Consider Faceless YouTube automation channels for a comprehensive strategy without personal exposure. Free tutorials like Dave Nick YouTube automation cover channel setup, optimization, and affiliate promotions. Step 4. Emphasizing value and credibility in promotions. Consistently deliver genuine value, whether through Twitter threads or YouTube videos. Screenshots and real-world examples add credibility. Seamless integration of affiliate links complements the content. Step 5. Continuous learning and community support. Commit to free tutorials and knowledge sharing for empowerment without financial barriers. Subscribing ensures access to new insights. Community support is vital for sustained content creation. Expanding on Step 1. Choosing the right affiliate program. Delve deeper into options like VIIQ, showcasing its potential with $800 generated in a month and $159,000 in the last 12 months. Yazing.com's instant global product approval and PartnerStack's focus on B2B software partnerships offer diverse opportunities. Exercise caution with WarriorPlus.com, considering product quality. Expanding on Step 2. Twitter thread promotion strategies. Strategically approach creating a Twitter account dedicated to promoting valuable threads, leveraging the platform's vast user base. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging threads by extracting information from relevant articles. Integrate affiliate links seamlessly and include a call to action. Expanding on Step 3. Mastering Faceless YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube automation channels offer a powerful tool without personal exposure. Free tutorials like Dave Nick YouTube automation guide through channel setup, optimization, and monetization strategies. Expanding on Step 4. Elevating promotions through value and credibility. Establish trust by consistently delivering genuine value through Twitter threads or YouTube videos. Screenshots and real-world examples enhance credibility. Integrate affiliate links seamlessly for a natural progression. Expanding on Step 5. The importance of continuous learning and community support. Free tutorials and knowledge sharing empower individuals without financial barriers. Subscribing with notifications on ensures access to new insights. Community support is crucial for sustained content creation. Conclusion: a comprehensive approach to sustainable passive income. This guide outlines a comprehensive approach to establishing a sustainable system for generating passive income. Prioritize value and credibility throughout the process, and continue learning through free tutorials and community support for long-term success in affiliate marketing. If you found this valuable, please like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, and activate notifications for more content. Until next time.